I had a very big plan as the children were big boys. And when we had 5 girls and 1 boy, I told myself, I didn't tell my wife, I said, I need to have 6 girls and 6 boys. So the task was now for me and my wife to bring up these girls, these 5 girls. So these are 5 girls, so they can find 5 guys to marry them. Okay? And they've done that. The last one is Kawe. Welcome to the family, Kawe. I'd like to mention that in our midst I have my other sons. One of them is here, who's traveled with me all the way from Zambia. The husband to our 5th born daughter, Mansalea. Mansa, can you stand up here, Edward? Our 5th born. Our 1st born also came all the way from Zambia, but the husband couldn't come. Parents member, please stand up. And our 3rd born, who is a resident of Dallas, Texas, Inoke Stella, please stand up. And our last born daughter, who is a resident of Oklahoma now, Alice C. Please stand up. Thank you all. Thank you very much. I must say, I'm truly, truly happy that my plan has come together. Has come to pass. I've got my 6 sons, I've got my 6 daughters, and I'm happy. The daughters became 6 because my son also got married in Zambia. So there's a daughter there. So there are 6 now. Thank you. The party shall continue, but I'm trying to preserve the long speech for the wedding, which will be in Zambia sometime. But before I do that, I want to honor 2 people for a special reason. I'll start with ladies first. Ladies first because my wife is the mother to the bride. She has traveled this journey called life with me for many, many years. And she's been a pillar to whatever I've tried to do. She's supported me throughout my life. I'm 60 years old now, but I've been passed for 40 because she cared for me. And she cared for our children and we brought them up together and this is the result that's coming. Thank you, Judy. I'm very grateful. I'd also like to honor Sola, my newly acquired Serene and friend. Can I have a hug?